Hello and welcome to techtiper.com. In this video, we are going to learn how we can insert images or videos into Google Docs. I have got this Google Doc in front of me. I use it for writing articles, and there are many use cases of Google Docs. Students use it for writing, office people use it for official documents, and researchers also use it for doing research. But text-based document is quite simple, quite boring. If you want to make it visually appealing, you can add photos and videos to your document. For example, I have got this ChatGPT document in front of me and I want to add an image here. So Google makes it very easy to add images to Google Docs. There is an option for insert. So when you click on insert, it has images and you can upload it directly from your computer. If you have got an image that is relevant to your document, you can directly upload it to Google Docs from your computer. Or you can do a Google search. A search panel will appear on the sidebar on the right hand side, and you can search for anything. It will appear here. But I don't recommend using Google search for getting images because most of the images will be copyrighted, and it is not a good idea to use copyrighted material in your Google Doc, especially if it is a commercial base. So I won't recommend you use this option. What you can do instead is you can go to a website like Pixabay, which has millions of photos that are royalty free. You will not get copyright claims from anywhere, and it's quite good website. So for my document, which is about ChatGPT, I'll search for something relevant. I'll search for robot because AI is artificial intelligence, and if we have to show it visually, then a robot is similar kind of thing. So I'll get a lot of images on Pixabay that is about robots. So this looks quite relevant to me. So if my article is about ChatGPT, this would look relevant. So now what I can do is I can save this to my computer and use the regular way in Google Docs to upload this document. Also, there is an easy way to do it. What you can do is you can right click and then copy the image. This gets copied on the clipboard of your computer. And then you come back to your Google document, click wherever you want to paste the image, and then Control V, the image will be pasted. It is as simple as that. It will work most of the time, 99% of the time. And for some reason, if it doesn't work this way, you can also right click and copy the image address and then go to your Google Doc account, click on insert images and get the photo by URL, insert images. This is the usual way. Now about adding videos to your Google Doc account, there is no native solution. There is no direct solution to adding videos because if you have any video, for example, I have this video on YouTube that is relevant to the article that I have written. So if I right click and copy the link and I try to paste it here, it doesn't get converted into a video. Fortunately, there is a workaround, and for that, you will have to add that video in Slides, one of the apps in the Google Drive suite. So you will have to open drive.google.com, click on new and get the option of Slides. When you click on slide, when this slide opens, when you click on insert, you get the option for video. This is the only application in Google Suites that will allow you to add videos. So when you click on add video, there are three ways you can add videos into the Slides. Number one is by searching a video if it is on YouTube, or by simply copy pasting the URL of the video, or if you have it on your computer, you can upload it on your Google Drive account and it will give you the option to insert it into the Slides, and then you can insert it into your Google Doc. But since I have a video on YouTube itself, let me again copy the link of my video that I want to put in the Slides. I'll go to Slides here, then I'll search for the video. It will give me the video. I'll select and it will be added into the slide. Now I'll have to change the size of the video to fit into the slide. If this is highlighted, you will get the formatting options, which will open on the right hand side in a sidebar. So you can see the start and the finish timing. You can adjust the timing, the start timing of the video and the end timing of the video as well. In this case, I will keep this as it is. And then there is an option of changing the size and the rotation and the position of your video in the slide. Or you can also use your mouse cursor to move it in different places. What I'll do is I'll drag it here, make it fill the entire area. Now, since I've filled this, when I click on it, this is the video and this is how it plays. Now that we have our video in the Slides, we're not done yet. I can right click and then copy, nothing else. And then I'll go back to my documents, make space where I wanted the video, and then I'll again click on insert, and this time I'll go to drawing and click on new. And when this in pop-up appears, I'll simply right click and paste. The video that I added into the slide will appear here, and then I'll save and close. And now this video will be added into the Google document. If you're sharing this with someone, all they will have to do is double click on this, and in pop-up will appear, and then they can click and watch the video if they want to. So this is not as simple as watching a video embedded into a web page, but this is the best that can be done inside Google Docs. So this is how you can add images as well as videos into Google Docs. That's it. I hope you find this useful. You can subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.